This is going to be short and sweet, but there are some good videos out there about putting a platform in the back of your bed, your truck bed, so that you can put stuff on it and pull it out. I ran into a problem where mine, I had really heavy tools. I got a handyman business, and with all the tools in there, you know, some of the ideas were okay, but I just had too much weight. I could not pull it out. So I went a slightly different direction. Cost a little bit more money, but I added some rollers in the back. And these guys, man, I can pull my board in and out real easy no matter how much weight I've got pulled up on this thing. So I'll put some information down below about the manufacturer and etc. But you know, it adds about you know, around 2 inches of height. It's not that bad. Here it is empty, and I'll do another one when I get all my tools out of it. But you know, one-handed, man, you can pull it out. You can bring it out this far, and with enough stuff in the back, it's going to stay in place. And I've got my vise out here, and you know, it just makes it a good working platform for me. So here it is, all loaded up. Got my ladders up on top. My short ones, I can put my extension on top. But this guy right here is full of tools, power tools that give a lot of the weight back here. Plumbing stuff, electrical stuff, my chop saws in here, my drills. All my stuff's in here. And it was just too heavy to pull out otherwise, but now, you know, it goes in there like that. I put a block of wood in here that goes up against the tailgate so it won't rattle around, and it works great.